Okay, I made the pattern on the material, so I am now going to cut it out. Normally, you cut material with scissors, but this is umbrella, and it tends to, the material seems to fray a little bit, so the common practice now is to actually use a heat gun or a heat knife to actually cut the line. So I have the line in pencil here, so I'm going to cut that out using the heat knife. So hold on to it for a few seconds. It'll get hot, but this actually gets too hot for it, and it'll start smoking, as you can see. So basically, what you're going to do is you're going to be pulling the trigger a few times as you're doing it, so it doesn't overheat. The newer ones, I believe they actually have a cordless one now. This one is a corded one. This one's ancient, but it still works. But basically, like I said, you just I have it on. I don't want to burn the hardboard desk here, so I have a piece of metal. You can use glass or something else, but basically just put it down, watch the cord, and make sure you're in the metal, heat it up, and go along the line. I let go of the trigger because it's getting real hot. Triggering it again. Now I'm out of metal, so I'm going to move it a little bit. And ta-da! And now that's separated. And the edge is sealed. So now I'm going to do this side. Heat it up a little bit and just go along the line. Whoop, too hot. Getting a little smoke there. Get that. A nice clean edge. And just continuing to follow the line. Again, the more accurate you are, the better the results. And that's that. Now, the only thing when you're using the heat knife, it's going to make the edge a little brown because it's literally melting this umbrella. But that's going to be fine. You're not going to see this because it'll be sewn. So that's one of the pieces cut. So now I will cut the second one. I'm not going to bother filming that because it's going to be identical to this. So this is the first step of a long journey. So hopefully you're around for the ride. This should be a fun project. And don't be afraid to tackle something like this yourself. I'm not a professional sewer, and the results I have come up pretty good, so I'm quite happy with it. So again, don't forget to like and subscribe.